Welcome back to Million Dollar Mansions, the place where we showcase the most beautiful and expensive luxury homes around the world. If you love luxury lifestyles, modern architecture, and dream homes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Today, we're bringing you an incredible 2026 style American luxury mansion that's unmatched in design and elegance. Friends, in today's video, we'll take you on a tour of a mansion that turns every modern home dream into reality. This house is crafted with a perfect blend of white and blue colors, highlighted with gold accents that make it even classier and more sophisticated. The design is inspired by the latest 2026 trends, combining futuristic and classic styles perfectly. The standout feature of this mansion is its futuristic architecture, featuring wide glass windows, clean straight lines, and an emphasis on natural light. Every room is spacious and showcases an amazing mix of modern furnishings and cutting-edge technology. From the grand entrance to the expansive swimming pool, every corner gives you a true luxury experience. Inside, you'll find a state-of-the-art kitchen fully equipped with advanced 2026 appliances, white marble countertops, and vibrant blue LED lighting that creates a modern and lively atmosphere. The master bedroom offers a king-size bed and luxurious decor, providing the perfect place to relax after a long day. Speaking of bathrooms, this luxury mansion features a spa-like jacuzzi tub and gold-finished faucets, giving you a royal feel. The outdoor area is just as impressive, with poolside lounges where you can relax or host a barbecue party with your guests. If you're interested in futuristic and sustainable living, this mansion also includes solar panels, making it an excellent example of energy efficiency. Plus, the landscaped gardens and walkways give the property a peaceful and serene environment. In today's video, we'll show you drone views, interior shots, and detailed tours of every room so you can appreciate all the beauty this mansion has to offer. This house isn't just a building, it's a lifestyle statement that perfectly defines luxury living in 2026. So, without further delay, let's start the tour of this luxury mansion. And if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like and share it. Also, please comment below and let us know which part was your favorite. Thank you for watching Million Dollar Mansions. We'll keep bringing you more luxury mansion tours like this. Until then, take care and stay connected with us. Goodbye. Subscribe our channel. Thanks.